I would jump out my skin just to get you.
Oh my God, oh my God.
How could you have ever known if I never let you show? Now I just wanna know.
I'm fine, trapped in the morning, getting too lonely, and here comes no warning. Capsize, I'm first in the water, too close to the bottom. I'm right back where I started. Said I'm fine.
Your silhouette is burned in my memory. Rubber left from the moment that you left me.
Oh my God, oh my God.
And 3 words have never come easy, 'cause you're more than they ever could be.
Oh my God, oh my God.
How could you have ever known if I never let it show? Now I just wanna know.
I'm fine, trapped in the morning, getting too lonely, and here comes no warning. Capsize, I'm first in the water, too close to the bottom. I'm right back where I started. Said I'm fine. Swimming up against the tide, oh my God. I'm swimming but I'm getting tired, oh my God. I'm swimming up against the tide, oh my God. I'm swimming but I'm getting tired, oh my God. Yeah, I'm fine, trapped in the morning, giving to the lonely, and here comes no warning. Capsize, I'm first in the water, too close to the bottom. I'm right back where I started. Said I'm fine.
You're always scared I'm gonna leave. You're always scared that I'll start packing up my bags while you're asleep and never come back. And never come back. And you're afraid you'll miss the signs. You try to pick up all the clues, the things that build up over time, but it's not like that. It just isn't like that. And I know it always hits you late at night, when I'm working late and I'm not by your side. But
Don't listen to that voice, darling, there's no need to be paranoid. Don't listen, it's just noise, darling, don't be paranoid. Yeah, don't listen to that voice, darling, there's no need to be paranoid. Don't listen, it's just noise, darling, don't be paranoid. Yeah,
I know your past has messed you up, and you're still working on some issues with the people that you love, but I'll be patient. You know that I'll be patient, 'cause I know that every time I don't pick up, that your mind starts wandering, you think too much. But
don't listen to that voice, darling, there's no need to be paranoid. Don't listen, it's just noise, darling, don't be paranoid. there's no need to be
No need to
It's just
feel.
noise, darling, don't be paranoid. Yeah.
And I know it always hits you late at night.